Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. This is Best Blessed Kitchen, trying to cook porridge yam. Sorry I didn't start in time to record the video, it just come to my mind. This is porridge yam. I have already cubed the yam, diced the onions, and also cubed the tomatoes. This I'm cooking 2 pots because we are family of many. So now I will add salt, pepper, crayfish, and get to go. Crayfish and grinded pepper. I have added to the 2 of them. So now I have to shake my oil, my red oil. It's not a pure oil. I don't know if it's concentrated oil, if it have some preservatives. So I'll add like 1 spoon. Is Africans, they don't use measurement though. 1 soup spoon, I think. Yeah, would be enough. So we are going to cover it to boil. Sorry, my English. Okay, so we'll let it like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, then we'll add our vegetable and we'll add a little bit of salt. Yeah, this is the correct time to add salt. I am almost forgetting my recipe because I don't really have 1 teaspoon of salt would be enough. Okay guys, so I can now add my cube. I think 1 chicken cube for each would be enough. Okay guys, I added spring onions, a little bit of spring onions in each of them. So, and let it boil for some minutes. I don't want it to be so soft. Now I add my spinach. Okay, so the spinach is already in there. The spinach is a fresh spinach but already preserved, sliced and washed and put in a freezer. So I added the spinach and I think around 1.5 cups of each one, but it's already squeezed out the water in it. Mix the porridge together. It's a porridge to yam, but this is my own way of making. One is more with water.
Soon you go to 9.
One is more with a little bit of water because some of my kids like watering, but me I like no much water. Okay, right. Wow guys, it's ready. Get your spoon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.